Network Entertainment.
I used to have hood dreams. Big fame, big chains. I stuck my dick inside this life until that bitch came. I went hard all fall like the ball teams. Just so I can make it rain all spring. Y'all seen my story, my glory. I had raped the game young.
Whoa.
You can call it statutory. When an N-word blow up, they gonna build statues for me. Old money, Benjamin Button, what? Nothing.
Yo. Okay.
Drake or Kendrick?
I mean, as a rap fan, I think Kendrick.
Okay.
Why Kendrick?
I actually don't know. I'm just really
Sorry,
guessing.
just guessing this.
Wala akong idea sa discography or sa artistic stamp ng bawat rapper.
Of those two individuals.
But I just this guess is so wild. It might as well be called homosexuality.
Talaga ba?
Hindi ko talaga alam. Ikaw?
Ikaw?
So Drake or Kendrick?
Yes.
Okay. Battery, thanks for reciting my favorite Bible verse. Okay. I see what you did there. Because I was like, this doesn't sound like either of them. And I was like, baka it's someone featuring with them.
Okay.
And then it dawned on me
Oh,
with the pun.
Nahuli ako ni Jed.
Nah, that was said by none other than the very cancelable Kanye West.
Chris Full Time.
Okay,
That's too
let's
much.
reel it in. When he did
Tama
the
siya.
song with none other than Aubrey Graham,
AKA
Drake.
Okay, thank you so much.
Take that, pals.
Nakuha
I
niya
mean,
yung trick
I'm
question.
so glad I said yes to this podcast.
He's already enjoying, guys.
So we'll be
Rap.
doing that a lot more in the intros sa lahat ng episode.
Just
Pero
completely
for this
alienating
episode,
our
guys,
guest.
we have a very, I think our guest
Yes,
for this episode, and you can quote me on this.
it's bigger than Drake.
Yeah, definitely.
Like right now, definitely right
Then
now.
the number speaks for themselves. He's probably the most valuable comedian. Yes, I'm saying it. Most valuable comedian
Oh my God, Lilan. January pa lang.
last 2025.
Okay, he kept it,
Ewan
mixed.
sa'yo.
And he's sobrang clutch
Actually,
nung 2025
Yeah.
run na yon, nung stint na yon. Para siyang Kobe Bryant nung fourth quarter. Na,
Okay.
The year was going, okay naman nung year. And then all of a sudden, okay.
yeah.
Here you go.
We're about to go to bed.
I
Yep.
don't know.
Our guest for this episode
Woo!
is none other than one half of the dog show motherfucking diva.
Divas.
Bounce Rufo on the pod.
Yeah! Woohoo!
Alam mo, sorry, medyo grabe yung most OA.
Di ba?
OA.
The most all around.
Anyway, you know what? I don't think this is the podcast for that. But
Okay,
whatever.
okay.
How was your 2025 for you? Since
Okay
you mentioned
naman. Okay
most
naman.
valuable
Okay
ka.
naman.
I don't I mean, I don't know. Okay, sige. I'm gonna be very honest. Was
That's
I
what we're talking
surprised that it happened? Actually, no. I was not. Was I surprised it happened during that time na it happened and it happened that fast? Doon ako nauga.
Yung episode mo sa Kaya Pa Ba with Baus?
Oh, even with McCoy.
With McCoy Dubs.
Oo. No, I guess when I say was I surprised it happened, sorry, it being parang para lang hindi ako makot. It meaning like, I hit a new plane. Parang parang meron akong bagong glass ceiling na nabasag.
New level.
Yes, parang may bago ko na level na unlock. Hindi ako na-surprise doon. Kasi I think if you listen to yung podcast nating dalawa, we kind of are very scientific in the way we approach our year.
Yeah.
'Di ba? Like number of posts, number of open mics. So, and if you exert X amount of effort and because the world has to turn on its axis, you should find yourself dapat net positive ka
So,
by the end of the year.
Your memory is insane. Naalala mo yun sa episode natin last
Of
year?
course. So yeah, so
Galing.
when I say na parang I was not surprised, it happened. It's the reaching a new level. Kasi you know, parang I mean kahit papaano kailangan meron kang konting delusion na this has to work. Kailangan may mangyari.
This is my plan
Diba?
A.
Like this needs to work. So in essence ganun, pero I guess the scope, the scale, the speed, yun yung tipong what the actual fuck. Yeah.
Nag-ano siya, kumbaga nag-times 1,000 siya.
Oo.
Yun yung grabing part. But
yun
you
yung
know, you told me, parang,
I mean,
alam mo
I knew na parang
Potential-wise.
I knew I guess nung nag-drop yung episode and nakita ko yung reception, I knew it was something special. And I think that is a function of because I am scientific with how I approach it. Alam ko na parang wait, to be able to generate that level of impact, medyo lightning in a bottle yun. Na when it's
for
in front
you.
of you, you really gotta strike. So, yeah.
I think a lot of people don't know where Dog Show Divas was conceived.
Yes.
I think half of the people you guys are, people who follow you now have known you nung nagkaroon na ng label,
Correct.
Dog Show Divas.
Yes.
But the conception of Dog Show Divas came from your episode with McCoy
Yes,
Dubs,
yeah.
which a lot of people during that time didn't even realize what they're hearing.
Correct. Yes.
Wala pa siya label
Dog Show
before.
Divas was an episode title.
It was an
Right.
episode title.
It was an episode. But also again, communing with the divine when you're trying to write something. When I thought of the name Dog Show Divas, it came to me like, parang like, hand from God. Parang binigay niya, ito ang title nung episode. Tapos binigay niya talagang, I know the title of the episode. And, lo and behold, it became the name of the show.
Naisip mo siya before? I mean, kasi I was talking to my girlfriend. Nagulat siya kasi bakit daw ngayon nyo lang ginawa?
Correct,
Na parang it was there all along.
Yeah, because we've been friends for
Yeah.
3 years.
Notable
and
things also.
Yeah, we've been performing together. I don't know, but at the same time, I think it happened at the
Right time. You guys are ready
I
for
think
this
it happened
na.
at the right time. Only because I think when we filmed that Dog Show Divas episode sa Kaya Pa Ba, I was on such sobrang
Locked
beast
in.
mode ako dun sa Kaya Pa Ba podcast. I think meron akong streak noon of like that
Top
was
10.
probably like
Yeah.
sobrang streak yun.
You
So
went
parang
number 1.
I was inching my way towards maybe being ready for a moment, like when Dog Show Divas came.
Wow.
And we've said this in a number of interviews. It happened at the right time because separately, McCoy and I were sharpening our instincts. We were building our stamina because what we do is really long-form improv. I
1
think,
hour
long
long.
prom.
medyo nakakapagod siya at talagang we get into this, we nagwa-warm up kami ng mind, body, and connection to be able to do an
Grabe,
episode.
the
Because
chemistry and everything.
it's kind of a sporting event, honestly.
It is.
So yeah, there.
Because you mentioned behind the scenes kanina, nung nag-usap pa tayo nila, Judd, that it's a muscle, really.
Yes.
Like your, ano ba tawag doon? Funny bone?
Yeah.
Yung funny bone mo, it's not a bone, it's a muscle that you
Correct.
need to
Train.
practice every day.
Yes.
So parang, I think you're in a position na pag tumigil kayo, may possibility ba na mawala yung momentum? Or would it always be there?
I
like
think it
riding
will
a
always
bike.
be there because kailangan rin namin tumigil and mag-pause. And I'm not sure kung sino nagsabi nito. I think as comedians, even when we're not writing, even when we're not performing,
Natural.
even when we're not performing, ang trabaho talaga natin na I think first and foremost is to be as present as we can.
Woo!
Yun talaga
Improv
siya.
teaches also.
'Di ba? Is to be as present as you can. It applies as you like try to write and take in data around you. It also applies, I think, when you go on stage to be as present as you can.
Connect
because
with the crowd.
like I'm sure na alam mo to, when you deliver a joke, sometimes wait, my instinct is telling me na ang intonation dapat ng pag-deliver ng linya na to dapat pataas.
Yep.
Hindi siya pababa. When, kunyari, ginawa ko na siya pababa 20 times and it worked. But I think tonight, pataas siya.
For some reason.
And I think it's all from like being as present as you possibly can.
Yeah. And also the combination of the words.
Ganda.
Yung word, ito natutunan ko for the past few months, share ko lang rin. Intentionally, to add lang to your point, hindi ko alam na ginagawa ko siya. Pero lagi kong nilalagay yung buzzword or yung punchline word. Hindi punchline line punchline word sa dulo ng sentence.
Okay.
Kasi if you put it in the first part of the sentence, even if it's the punchline, tatawa sila doon, and then magsasalita ka pa, mauubos yung tawa.
Correct.
So ilalagay mo siya sa dulo ng sentence.
Yeah, so-
That's what I learned. And to your point, yes, you need to do it all the time.
Yeah.
So, ilang hours ka natutulog?
Ganun pa rin ako natutulog. So, I sleep late. I sleep at 2 or 3, but I still
Okay,
get at
night
least
owl.
7 hours of sleep. So,
Nice.
I'm
Okay.
marami pa rin akong tulog. Late lang talaga ako matulog. Kasi, grabe, like, after a show talaga, improv, stand-up, hosting, I need like a good 4 hours para bumaba yung adrenaline.
You're just
Hindi
jumping
siya
off the walls.
post-analysis.
What do you mean?
Like, after your set, regardless
I
if
mean,
it's
usually,
improv
ang ginagawa ko, I analyze it the day after. Kasi I think whether it's good or bad.
The emotions
If
are
it's
high.
good, parang deserve ko munang i-celebrate to and perform an autopsy report than the morning.
Okay.
'Di ba? Tama, because like tangina minsan hindi ka naman lagi magki-kill, 'di ba? So pag nag-kill ka, like give mo muna, i-fantasy mo muna tapos saka ka
Pag bumaba na yung high.
Oo, 'di ba?
Okay.
Same way I think kapag bumomba ka to also be gracious with yourself. Bukas ka na mag-autopsy report.
Let's not punish ourselves even
Yeah.
more.
So
Ganun.
parang feeling ko sleep on it.
Yeah, tas uwi ka maaga. Oo. Gano'n naman eh. Hindi siya masaya eh.
So hindi siya masaya.
Order
sobrang
fast
hindi
food
talaga.
alone. Ganun.
Yeah. Of course, with the fame and everything, tawagin na natin, it's fame. We're dealing with...
Let's just call it recognition.
You guys, as you guys
No,
say,
no, because I mean like
you-
the word fame
Y'all
is
made
so...
it.
The
It's
word
so big.
is so...
May standard siya eh. Yung
Oo,
fame.
saka like, sorry,
Right,
when I
right,
say
right,
fame
right.
kasi, tipong, my podcasting partner, si McCoy, still has significantly more followers than I am.
Right.
Parang yun talaga for me, ang sila kanya fame talaga.
Okay,
yung kanya,
so if you reach
malali. Oo, parang feeling ko yung akin, parang mas komportable lang ako sa term na recognition.
Okay. Well used. May asterisk.
Kapag 5 digits lang yung followers mo, recognition. Kapag 6, fame.
Pare, I don't know.
Regardless anong platform. But anyway, okay, so with the recognition that you're getting,
Very recognized Boss Bifo.
with the recognition that you're getting, of course, it comes with a lot of hating as well. A lot of
That's
I mean,
true.
bashing.
You know
from
you're doing
left to right.
something when
I mean,
there's,
as of this recording, I told you earlier, may
Yeah.
may pambubunot na naman na ginagawa sa amin na hindi ko na binasa yung mga posts. But it is part of it. You know, we also live in a time, I think si Bowen Yang yung nagsabi nito. We live in such a weird
great.
time na we have access to everybody's thoughts. Na parang that was never like that before. Every single thought pwede mong i-publish.
Right.
Is that good? Is that bad? I have no idea. But I think because everyone can just broadcast whatever thought they have, something na inuthought lang nila or something they thought of, I think I think we're still learning
Yeah.
on how to make sense of it.
Kumbaga, we're not yet Professor X, we're Jean Grey.
Yeah, it's like
Getting
like
used.
ang daming napapublish na parang and if you think, I don't know, if you think about it, like sometimes mayroon akong sobrang strong na iniisip ngayon na in 2 weeks nakalimutan ko na kung ano siya.
Talaga.
You would argue na kung hindi mo binost yun, pwedeng makalimutan mo na siya.
May sinabi si James Kiraan regarding that.
A
Sabi
fellow
niya,
kalbo ni Professor X.
a fellow, yes, fellow Kalbo. Kalbo Supreme.
One of the good ones.
Sabi nga ni Jad, pag
Yeah.
kalbo ka, either
Either
mabait ka or evil ka,
evil,
walang
yeah.
in between. Nandun si James sa
I've yet to meet
good kalbo.
a middle one.
Sabi niya, pagka daw satisfied ka na sa meron ka ngayon, wala ka nang pakiya dun sa mga negative stuff. Papalagpasin mo na lahat. Kasi it doesn't affect you anymore.
I mean,
Nandun ka ba?
I think on a good day, I think that is a great aspiration because I think on a good day, I am able to get into that state na parang, you know what, if, kunyari, like, if ang ganda ng gising ko and if I just come from a place of gratitude, I am really able to put things in perspective and say na, you know, that noise is fleeting on a good day.
Right.
But I don't always have a good day.
we're all
There are
human.
days when I'm an Aries, so alam mo naman nila, pag galit ako.
Kaya nga may GC eh.
I think hindi masyado nakikita ng mga tao yung galit mode ko. Pinapakita ko lang siya to very few people. Pero nakita na siya ni Lilan ng maraming beses.
And I live for it.
I mean, yes. So, nakakabwisit siya, but again, in the same way that all our thoughts are fleeting, our emotions are also fleeting. So, I can be mad now, but tomorrow I probably won't be. And, yeah.
Ako baligtad. Let me
Oh.
know if you're experiencing the same thing. Pero ako, it's part of my compartmentalization when it comes to feelings. If I feel a certain emotion, I've learned it last year to put it in a shelf somewhere.
Like an imaginary box.
Diyan ka muna. I'll think about it later if nakakagalit nga ba talaga yung nangyari.
Gets.
Or hindi.
Gets.
So parang for some reason, ang sarap nung ganong feeling. But at the same time, hindi ko ma-stretch yung itch na parang, minsan kailangan mo ilabas. 'Di ba? Parang, kunyari, si Kendrick Lamar, away sila ng asawa niya, kunyari. 'Di ba? Nalalabas niya yung itch niya kasi sinasapak niya yung asawa niya eh. To me,
I don't think that was proven, but
hindi ba proven yun?
yeah.
So, si Drake, na-prove ba? Hindi, joke lang. I'm not a Drake enjoyer, okay? But anyway, ganun sa akin. How about you? Do you deal with emotions right away? Or do you think about it?
parang I try to put it in a box, but I feel like that box is like broken. Parang it just opens on its own and then it comes back to me.
What's your zodiac again?
I'm a Leo.
You're a Leo? Kaya pala.
Yeah.
Kompleto
Roar.
pala tayong fire signs ngayon. Aries, Leo, Sag.
I'm a sad.
Oh, you are sad.
This is
ano?
a fire sign convention.
Yeah.
Okay, tell us
We're
more
intense.
about
We're
fire
intense.
signs.
Puta, mga diretso talaga kayo, no? Wala kayong alam. You straight guys have rap. We queer people have zodiac signs.
Yeah, I know my zodiac sign. I'm a
So it's
Ravenclaw.
your...
Hindi naman.
Zodiac signs ang rap artist.
Hindi naman,
nyo.
hindi naman. Pero parang we love zodiac signs. May ganyan joke si ano, diba? Si
Matt Rife
Marge.
ba? Si Marge.
Na parang,
yeah.
correct. Like, ang mga lalaki gusto like crypto.
Right.
Tapos sa mga babae, zodiac.
We like to
totoo
explain
yun.
stocks.
Sobrang totoo yun, dear. So, anyway, fire sign convention para. Talaga, Leo ka. Okay.
Yeah, Leo cusp
Yeah.
though.
Can you read
Verging
him?
on
Cusp to
Virgo.
Virgo.
Yeah.
Hindi kasi ang mga, ang reputation ng mga Leo is parang me.
But
Na
he's
parang
not like that.
Exactly. Pero,
maybe my other
they
signs.
are insanely protective
of
they're just
myself.
whatever it is they want to protect.
He is.
And you are. So
You
parang
are.
in that
Okay.
vein, that makes so much sense.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
He's the
Roar.
most selfless guy. Pero
Totoo
when it
naman.
comes to the things he owns, I think, protective siya. Including people.
True.
Also, can I just say, like, I'm so proud of you. Eme. No, wait, remember nung kaka-lockdown lang?
Kaka-lockdown lang.
Kaya ba, hindi ko alam ko ikaw yun eh.
Exclusive
Nung
to.
nagkaroon ng
Like
online
quarantine na.
improv classes.
Okay.
Did you not enroll like sa isang class ni Ariel?
No, I graduated na before online started.
This
Like,
improv school.
I did
I'm
face-to-face.
trying to remember lang kasi kung alam ko na meet na kita right before lockdown and I'm so happy we ended up being peers sa stand-up.
I remember the first time I saw you, you were performing your level 5.
Oh, I
remember that.
Okay, anyway.
And then I was like sitting in the
Level
audience.
5 improv.
Level 5
correct.
improv. You're doing
Which
your long form.
includes what?
Includes, you're not gonna like this.
Come on, try me.
So,
Do you like
the level 5 showcase is called Harold. That is the name of the kind of, it's long form improv. So basically, tatlong acts.
Yes, 3-act play siya.
3-act play siya. So anyway, yun na lang. Hanggang doon na lang. Feeling ko kasi if I give more details, that is just going to give you more ammo to talk smack about Ako?
Wait, what? Leland talks smack about improv? Huh? He
No.
loves improv.
I love
He
improv.
loves improv.
Diba, Aaron?
No, but in fairness, I think you do. You're just maybe scared of playing it
Yeah,
sometimes.
we talked about
You
it.
get nervous.
I'm scared about the whole format.
He gets to
naman,
prepare.
nakakatakot naman talaga siya.
It's like going up there with nothing.
correct.
Like I do
Exactly.
crowd work from time to time, but it's not my favorite thing because it
I
gives
love
me anxiety.
doing crowd work.
Yeah.
Oo.
But when I'm in the zone, I'm in the zone.
Correct.
Parang-
And gets ko yun. I think ultimately that, I mean, by now, I've been doing stand-up for 4 years.
Nice.
Recently lang ako nag-crowd work. Like, a year ago lang. Kasi parang feeling ko, wait, pag stand-up mode. Pag improv mode. Ngayon, medyo slowly but surely, napapagtagpo ko na yung dalawa.
Grabe,
Medyo
no?
na-enjoy ko na siya.
May diagram ng yung comedy sa gitna, yung improv pati stand-up mo.
Correct.
Which do you like more?
Oh, yes!
Whichever gives me the most money for that day.
That's right.
For that day.
Okay, my gig for improv is today. I love improv more.
No, I think I think it is because baka hindi alam ng mga tao, and I don't need them to know my life story, but I did corporate for 10 years.
Same
Similar to this guy.
11 years. The fact that I get to do this for a living, like hindi nyo ba alam how much I'm already getting out of it as a win?
It's a dream come true.
Like just as a win. So parang okay, bunutin nyo kami sa X na yung show nyo needs a lot of work, panis na kami. Like, pa akin, guys, you're parang go sabihin mo niya, pero like, I'm already getting so much out of it. Because I lost myself in corporate, and the fact na
Could have been
I
worse.
get to be this bakla for a living and still sleep 8 hours a day and arguably earn way more than I earned before. I'm already getting so much out of it. So go lang. Kung gusto nyo kaming awayin, go! Because, yeah, like, matanda na ako. Marami na ako pinagdaanan is what I'm trying to say. Yeah.
Pero as a Leo, that's really forgiving.
As an Aries.
Sorry, Aries pala.
Oo.
ikaw.
Fire sign, fire
Oh
sign.
no, yeah,
Very
I think,
forgiving
oo
siya.
naman. Oo, I think I'm a very forgiving. I think yun ang in-embrace ko as an Aries. In-embrace ko na I have rage, but also I am very quick to forgive and give people the benefit of the doubt.
Yeah.
I think, right?
I believe,
Oo,
I believe.
yeah.
Especially with your friends. You have more patience
Oo naman.
when it comes to your friends. And I've experienced that naman.
Oo, yeah.
Ikaw, like, what do you think? When are you getting out?
Getting out of it. Parang coming out story. Getting out. It depends. I have to put in the work first. And what I've seen from both of you guys is you guys didn't quit your day jobs
Agad.
agad or like without
There's a plan.
paying your dues or having that strategy or
Yeah.
plans. Parang I saw you guys get some sort form of success muna while juggling the two. And then when it was ripe na, you guys...
Well, with me, it's more about pride kasi in what
what do
I
you mean?
did before.
you were proud of
Like,
the day
sa
job.
listeners, if ngayon lang kayo nakikinig, ilan ba? Siguro 10 years?
10.
Yeah.
10 years din ako sa advertising as a creative. So, from writer to creative director. And
You survived.
it was more about the pride. Na parang, hindi, kailangan kong umangat dito para hindi ko sabihin na, nag-quit siya kasi hindi niya kaya. So, gusto ko munang itry hanggang saan yung kaya ko dun.
Yeah.
That
And
can be a
then,
very
eto,
tempting.
can I just say that I think the most creative people are all in advertising. And some of them are, I don't want to say wasting their lives there kasi alam ko naman mahal nila yung craft. I think they would make more money if they quit and pursue that passion that they have. Because again, up to this point, hindi ako naniniwala na merong tao na gumising at tinanong, ano gusto mo maging? Gusto ko gumawa ng commercial paglaki ko. Walang ganong tao.
No, but with that being said, I think when I also resigned from advertising, parang I have already fallen out of love of it.
You were ready to close.
Yeah, kasi parang I was so in love with the work, the people,
Yes.
fallen out of
The
love. And
life.
I guess specifically, I think yung construct lang of there are some accounts and clients wherein that is where creativity comes to die. Do you know that?
Yeah.
I mean, I'm so grateful na right now, the clients who want to work with Dog Show Divas, they know na with us, it's fast creativity, it's random, and I love it na
It's
kahit
brave.
paano na I get to call the shots. Sa parang, because I still want to make stuff for brands. Pero like, I want to do it using like my toolbox. Pero kayo sa advertising natin, I'm sure alam niyan yung, meron kayo sobrang gandang creative idea, 4 na buwan na, hindi pa rin napoproduce yung commercial. Na
And-
parang nakalimutan mo na, bakit nga ba kami kinilig sa idea na to dati?
Oh no.
And yun yung part sa parang, and I think, nagkaroon ako ng period na ang dami kong mga projects na ganun. Na tipong, why are we doing this again? And then that's when I realized, wait, I like fast creativity. Specifically.
So pag may
Agile.
ginawa kang kahit anong klaseng content, post agad.
Yeah, that's why improv and stand-up works for me. Gets?
Mas mabilis siya.
Kasi mas mabilis siya eh. Like, kunyari yung joke, yung nag-work today, let's move on to the next one. Improv, mali yung choice mo today, like, make a new choice later.
Wala kang group na magsasabi kung bakit siya hindi gumana.
Oo.
And
So,
at the end of the day, hindi nyo naman mapapatunayan eh.
correct.
Na yun yung dahilan eh.
Yeah, and that is something that I learned after 10, 12 years of working. A lot of trial and error of like, does this setup work for me? No. And then na-realize ko hindi. What works for me is to be in spaces that allow for fast creativity. Hindi pwedeng creative lang. The term fast needs to be there.
Speaking of fast, do you think you would love working in SNL naman? Because I see SNL.
Oh my God, honestly.
actually,
As a New York boy,
yeah, parang when I first entered advertising, I thought, oh, this
Alam mo,
feels
sobrang
like
yun talaga yung dream ko
SNL.
talaga. Alam mo kanina, pinapanood ko yung podcast ni Amy Poehler, yung
Good hang.
yung meron siyang guesting with Kristen Wiig. Ngayon ko lang pinanood.
Ah, okay.
So merong sinabi dun si Kristen Wiig na I think college pa lang siya. Tapos, sabi niya, she looked herself in the mirror and asked herself, what do you want to do with your life? Ang sinagot daw niya randomly without taking any acting class or improv class, sabi niya like, I wanna go to LA and act. And then, like, she drove to
Did
LA. Parang meron lang siyang pangarap, basically.
Grabe,
so, inisip ko,
no?
di ba, dati ganun, di ba? Inisip ko kanina, shit, pag tinanong ko kaya yung sarili ko ngayon sa mirror, ano kaya yung isasagot?
Yung wild dream mo.
Like yung wild. Kasi yung Dog Show Divas, parang for me, it's already a wild dream that came true. Kasi like, I'm working on it already. It's like, I'm telling you, I love it so much.
Yeah.
But if there is one more wild dream that I really like, honestly, would love, I'm pretty sure it's not gonna happen in this lifetime.
Oh, come on.
But that would be the job. The way yung mga alumni speak of their time there na parang
it sounds tough.
It's like yung tipong parang hinarap nila yung sarili nila in the process, na pagod sila. Parang put me in there. Like, I wanna find out.
Patayan
yeah,
dyan eh.
isipin mo, kasama mo sa room sa SNL, sila Michael Shea.
Correct, oo.
Sino pa active ngayon?
Colin Jost.
Sila
Colin
Colin,
Jost, oo.
sila-
Pero like for me yun, kasi and in a way, kami ni Makoy, tinutupad namin yung SNL dreams namin with Dog Show Leaves. I'm sure you've seen that. We're doing a number of branded sketches now with costumes,
Okay.
3-cam setup.
Na quick na.
Which again is also something I learned na parang if I'm not gonna get the SNL dream, doesn't mean I can't make my own version of it here. So
Would you be game to create a Philippine SNL? I mean, nothing's stopping
I
you
think
na.
game naman ako dyan kasi nakakamiss din, isa pa yung sa namimiss ko sa advertising, nakakamiss mag-lead.
Ng production.
Diba?
And ano.
O alam mo yung when it just goes so well, nakakamiss din mag-lead.
And ikaw yung nagsasabi. Yun,
Like yung irarally
namiss
mo
ko.
yung team mo sa vision mo, medyo parang sila, ha? Tapos when it works, sabi sa inyo, di ba?
You were right, Mouse. You were
Nakakamiss
right.
yung mga ganun. So that means I am a leader who doesn't listen to his teammates.
Which is what made you, be who you are right now.
How naman? I think so.
It's weird kasi both you and McCoy came from advertising. Do you think that ano bang meron sa advertising
Yun nga
na
eh.
bakit?
Totoo.
Galing sa
Honestly, totoo. Hindi ko rin,
like okay, gets ko na we're doing commercials.
Correct.
And then so
I think it's the rigor.
strategy.
It's like creativity but military at the same time.
yeah, I think it gives you a very valuable construct as to how to create. Meaning the timetable. Kunyari,
Frameworks.
pag naggumawa ka ng isang TV commercial, the fact na ang steps ay briefing, FISIB, pre-prod, shoot, offline, online release.
Okay.
Pag alam mo yung timetable na yon at naging freelancer ka, gagawa ka ng sarili mong version.
Version.
Siguro instead of 6 steps, 4 na lang. But it still works. Kasi for me, yun yung matutunan mo sa advertising. How
Right.
the construct of committing to something so that it sees the light of day.
To produce.
Gets.
Yeah.
Right.
Yun siya
Saka yung attitude.
Yeah.
Yung ano ba tawag dito? Yung consistent fire to
Ideating.
make something happen.
Correct. Saka, I think what that construct or that framework also teaches you is that it actually works for almost any type of format. Ganon din naman ang milestones kung print ad, TVC, video, meme, radio ad. So kahit saan mo siya dalhin, Kumbaga, there's a reason why it's been working for decades already. And I
Yeah.
think you learn that in advertising.
Yeah. And, by the way, dito na tayo sa segment na tinatawag kong Who's on your list?
Who's on your list?
Ano to?
Thank you, Val.
So, dito, sa Who's
Pucha, ano
on
to?
I love the
Kapapati,
highlight.
ano ko,
I love the
meron?
high
Hindi
note.
ko sinabi? Okay. So, top 3 anything lang to.
Yeah.
Top 3 anything. Pero for this, never ko tinanong sa'yo
gonna
to.
be
Ever.
specific to
This
you.
tayo
Better not get
nag-uusap.
me in trouble.
No.
Okay.
Trust me. Sino ang top 3 gay heroes na Pinoy mo? Ulitin ko yan. Sino
okay.
ang top 3 Pinoy gay heroes ni Boss Rufo?
Top 3 gay heroes.
Actually.
Pinoy.
Correct. Gay hero / siguro like queer icon.
Yeah.
Yung icon ko.
Okay. So it could be like, someone
Honestly,
straight.
so love Eugene Domingo.
Eugene Domingo.
I say this particularly her Kimidora era. Nung
Oh,
third.
my.
That's the one for us, right?
Grabe yun.
That's the one for us.
That character alone, I think legendary icon yun. Yung
Okay.
character alone lang ni Eugene
Kimidora.
Domingo na yun.
Kimidora girl.
Okay.
Favorite ko, meron siyang isang linya na, di ba nag-switch sila doon?
Tapos,
Tapos like yung bumalik na yung si Dora. Si Dora yung CEO, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Bumalik na si Dora doon sa bahay nila after niyang mawala. So pagdating niya dumating siya sa bahay, mansion nila kasi galing siya sa farm. Dumating siya doon kasi kinuha niya yung jeep. Tapos nagpinark niya yung jeep sa labas ng bahay.
Yeah!
Tapos sabi niya doon sa katulad lang si Rowena, "Hoy Rowena, kunin mo yung checkbook ko, bili mo yung jeep sa labas."
tayo na check!
Sobrang, oh my God! Sobrang winner. Ina lang.
Ang tight.
Rowena, kunin mo yung checkbook ko, bilhin mo yung jeep sa labas.
The use of the checkbook
Oh my
line.
God, it's so good.
Even saying
Galing mo
Rowena,
Galing mo
Jeep.
script.
Oh my God.
I would
oh my
even
God.
believe if inimpromptu niya yun eh.
Correct. Like, Rowena, yung punin yung check. Bilhin mo. Girl, ang lala. Sobrang, ang lala niya in terms of like, just a piece of dialogue. Kasi si Dora, galit na siya eh. Kasi maghihigante na siya. Ito yung climb up papunta sa final act, 'di ba? Kasi
Okay.
parang okay, maghihigante na ako.
Ah.
So yung bilhin mo yung checkbook sa labas. Kunin mo yung checkbook, bilhin mo yung jeep sa labas. It's such a character defining line. Galit siya. Alam niya, she is the head bitch in charge. So it's that line. Checkbook, bilhin mo yung jeep sa
It's so
labas.
perfect.
Isipin mo checkbook and jeep in the
Correct.
same
Same
line.
sentence.
Sobra.
Galing.
Sobrang
It ends
nakakaloka.
with the funniest word pa.
Tapos pag nakita mo how that was shot, it was parang bumaba kasi sa jeep si Eugene Domingo.
Okay.
Papasok siya sa mansion. Tapos nakita lang si Rowena. Parang inutos lang niya. Oh, kunin mo yung checkbook ko, bilhin mo. May iba siyang motivation.
Yeah.
May iba
It's a
siyang
ba-
gagawin.
it's a by the way.
Pero kinailangan lang niyang i-remind na utusan yung katulong. Alam mo yun? Parang what the fuck?
It tells you a lot about the character too.
Yun, I mean, that for me, that
That's
particular
gold.
era, kasi sunod-sunod yun, Kimidora 2, babae sa
You
septic
know what?
tank.
I didn't think of it that way before. Baka dahil bata pa rin tayo. No?
Ay, sobrang lala nung yung that line, honestly, that line is so,
During that
that
time,
should be in a shirt.
yung Eugene.
Di ba?
A refrigerator magnet, at least.
Kunin mo yung checkbook, bili mo yung jeep sa labas. Oh my God, Mama,
Why
it's
is that
so
not a
amazing.
tattoo yet? That's a
Yes.
good tattoo.
I mean, yung Eugene Domingo, era yun eh.
Ira yun.
Like babae sa septic tank.
Correct. Yun yung nag-cement na,
Like-
I think that cemented her commercial viability, but also how impeccable she is as a comedian.
Yeah.
Medyo malalim.
She was in an Eddie Murphy
Type run.
type of stint.
Yeah.
Where, kasi si Eddie Murphy, di ba, he played other characters as well. In the same movie siya lahat. Yung Kimidora,
Medyo ganun.
So, yung sa akin, ang comparison ko agad, fuck, ginagawa niya yung nagawa ni Eddie Murphy before.
Siya yung Pinoy Eddie
Pero
Murphy.
mas nakakatawa kasi Pinoy. So, it legendary.
Yeah.
Legendary.
As
Legend.
number one. Number two,
Number
I
one.
think, I have to give it to Rufa May Quinto.
Okay.
Go.
And I say this because I think nung nagustuhan ko si Rufa May Quinto nung early 2000s and mid 2000s, wala pa akong language nun eh as to why whatever it is she is doing
Why
is
she's-
resonating with me. And now that I have the vocabulary as an adult, I think it was just the shared, the improv of it all. Na tipong, wala. She is just making sure it's fun for herself. And yes, I love Rufa May Quinto
When you
so
see a
much.
person having fun,
Exactly.
contagious yun.
And honestly, I've met her sa isang event. Ganun talaga siya. Oh my God, nakakaloka.
Okay.
Nakakaloka.
Good vibes then.
Correct. And I think ang last na icon, I think, is definitely Vice Ganda.
Okay.
I'm so happy that you said that.
No, lalo na, I think more so now, this version of Vice na nangagat na siya ngayon eh.
Well, to be fair,
I see nangagat na siya na parang, yes. Saka I think meron siyang isang linya sa Ang Walang Kwentang podcast when Meme Vice was doing the rounds to promote her MMFF movie na parang, I am not always nice or I'm not always kind. I may be misquoting here, but I am always fair.
Yun na.
I saw, and I was like, that is so... Pareho kaming Aries, by the way. Alam mo yun, kasi hindi ako si tawag dito, hindi ako si patronage politics type of guy eh. When I enter the room, ay, kumain na po kayo. Okay lang kayo dyan. Uy, dyan lang kayo ah. Not like that eh. I'm like, when you talk to me, it's like, I'm always thinking of efficiency. Oh, what are we gonna do? What time tayo matatapos? What do you need?
True enough.
That's how I am. And
Hindi ka accounts.
True enough, when Bas
Ganun
entered, he
ako.
was like, tara, let's go.
I'm like that, hindi ako yung gano'n na, kumain na ba kayo? Uy, baka
How was
gutom
your
kayo.
day? Ganon.
I mean,
Cut the small talk.
yeah, ako na tipong like, what are we gonna do? Let's do it so we can go home early.
yeah, that's why you're super rich.
Recognition.
Grabe
with
naman,
recognition.
That's why you're recognized all over the Philippines.
Speaking of...
Ano yan, sorry.
Speaking about... are you more on this TikTok
No, I just
3?
wanted to add more on what Baus said about Vice. Kasi I always felt like I loved what Vice was doing even before the Showtime stardom.
Correct.
Nung nagja-judge pa lang siya, lumalabas pa lang siya sa mga ganyan. But I was so scared to admit na natutuwa ako sa sinasabi niya before
Gets.
because of how he was perceived.
Correct.
Kasi polarizing siya ever since.
Yeah. Saka this whole, how do I say this? Parang label na iba yung stand-up comedy na ginagawa nila.
Ayoko rin yun.
I don't like that.
Yeah.
I'm not very comfortable with that because
It's a
I
good
think lahat ng comedians, whether nasa Brickwall ka or nasa Vice
Clowns.
Comedy Club ka, we all want the same thing. We all want to entertain.
Yeah.
You use whatever you can, take whatever you can,
Yeah.
follow your instincts as to like what you think the audience needs from you for that performance, and we go do the thing. So pag nagkakaroon ng label na parang, mas okay tong comedy na to kasi hindi siya yung parang nang-o-cry katulad ng mga gay comedy bar. Parang okay, gets. That is a valid point if that is not the kind
Not
of
your
atmosphere
thing.
that you want. But if you think that doon sa kabilang options, people are not aggressive or people don't do hot takes, you're a little misguided because we also
Actually, mas
go... Yeah. So pag nagkakaroon ng label na ganun, I think I don't like it.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't like
That's very fair. Kasi, I don't know if there's a stigma before na when you say drag comedy, yun yung ibig sabihin. Pupunta ka sa show, ka-crowd work. Crowd work yung gusto nilang sabihin, di ba? Yung
Correct.
pangongokray, crowd work. And nilalaitin ka, and people have fun. So, natatakot yung ibang tao doon. When in fact, it's also comedy.
Correct. Saka hindi
Yeah.
naman
Different flavor lang.
hindi naman yun representative of the comedy na nandun sa mga bar na yon na laging tinatawag ng
Yeah.
mga tao, 'di ba? But yeah, and I borrow parts of that. I also I'm very sassy on stage. I think you know that. So I'm like I sometimes I feel like certain moments call for me being in people's faces and they absolutely love it. Again, it is the language that you and the audience agree on for that particular night.
I like how you're giving flowers to...
Oo naman.
No,
All types
to
of
the
comedy.
people who deserve it. Kasi I know, and I hope this is not offensive, but we've talked about it, that in your community, in the to be more specific, in the LGBTQIA+ community, sobrang daming insecure people
Oo
that
naman.
they don't they fail to recognize those who deserve to be recognized.
Correct. So basically, sabi ng therapist ko dyan, because we are still a marginalized group, we are very vulnerable. So we are prone to projection. We are prone to yes. I mean, like magpo-project kami because we're a very hurt segment na
It's a defense
repressed.
mechanism.
Oo. So that is parang, I don't want to say that's normal behavior, but that can be expected.
Right.
If that is what we're trying to discuss. So gets ko naman yung talagang, we come from a lot of pain. And sometimes kasi parang, even if sabihin mong, well ako, like I can only speak from my experience. May mga time na parang kahit tanggap na ako nung mga spaces kung nasan ako, parang di pa ako tapos magalit.
Sorry.
Nakita mo ba yung visual?
Oh.
Like, hindi pa ako tapos. Galit pa ako, hindi
Why are you
pwede.
accepting me na?
Tanggap ko na ako. Ay, hindi.
Masyadong bilis.
It needs to hurt. The way it hurt me.
It needs to end the way I want it to end.
Hindi pa ako tapos.
Grabe
Okay na
trauma.
kayo, ako hindi pa.
No,
kahit okay na externally.
No, like hindi.
Sige.
Oh,
Wala masaktan pa.
And it took a while for me to recognize may ganun akong patterns.
parang may chip on your shoulder.
Yeah, na parang, oh, hindi pwede yan. Na ganun na lang. Forgiveness agad. Wait lang. Oh. But yeah.
So everything comes, and I think that speaks not only to you, it speaks for the entire, kasi I also have a brother who came from that, I'm sure, I'm sure traumatic din yung experience.
Oh.
And when it comes to those things, I think family also plays a huge role. So with the whole, the start, ayoko na sabihin recognition, with the stardom that you guys have now, like how are they perceiving it?
What are
Oh,
they
yes,
saying?
my family.
Yeah, how are they taking it?
Well, when I was in the US a few weeks ago for Christmas, it was all they could talk about.
Wow!
To the point na parang nakakapanibago. Nakakapanibago
It's
siya.
not usual.
Kasi, even if bumibisita ako dati, hindi, kumbaga yung share of voice ko, hindi naman ganun kalaki lagi eh.
Boss, you've made it.
You made it. That's how you know you made
That's
it.
how you know you've made it.
When your
Like, oh my
family
God, they
just
can't
talks
stop
about
talking about it to the point na, at that time, the whole time kasama ko yung jowa ko. And yung jowa ko, narinig na rin yung version na yun nung nasa Manila pa lang when I would meet up with my friends. So by that time, yung jowa ko, parang feel ko, yung narinig niya like version 18 already. Of how do
are
you
you
do it?
doing?
Ano yung
Yeah.
process? And, but I guess, sabi nga ni Jam, sabi ko, nag-sorry pa ako sa boyfriend. Sabi ko, babe, sorry pa, ulit-ulit mo naririnig yung kwento. Sabi niya, no, it's okay kasi I think for them, it really is a very special thing.
Aww.
It's an awesome thing they're witnessing. And I guess ang sabi niya, while parang they may not have the language for it, but I think at its core is that they are very proud of you. So,
Yeah.
in a way, yes. Pero, it's my mom magsisend ng screen grab ng mga amiga niyang nagtitext sa kanya about how they love the show.
Right.
Aw, so nice.
So yeah, medyo nakakapanibago siya. Pero it's very much appreciated, but also I'm trying to develop a healthier relationship with feedback, whether negative or positive.
To not
I
let it
try to
parang-
be as neutral as I can. Parang, okay, celebrate, pero after nun, okay, move on na tayo.
Very wise
Kasi,
of you.
yeah, kasi like, the same way na when you see hate comments, pwede kang malunod in the darkness.
Yeah.
It can, like, the same thing can happen if it's like positive. Na
Puro
parang, I
praise.
don't want it to kind of cripple the creative risks that I wanna keep on taking.
Yeah, so basically you're not taking things personally. Every attack,
Yeah.
every negative thing.
I
Kasi
mean,
it would
it's an
only-
aspiration. Again, on a good day, I would love to say it that way. It does not always
It's very
happen.
ideal.
Yes, oo.
So parang, yun din yung natutunan ko to add to your point, na parang, sabi nila, forgot who said this, sorry. Quote nyo na lang, search nyo na lang. Sabi niya, if you take things negatively, regardless if may nasabi sa'yo masama, ibig sabihin, masyado mong pinepersonal lahat. When in fact, hindi naman. Hindi lang niya naman nagustuhan yung ginawa mo. That's
Feedback
why
lang.
that person acted that way.
Yeah.
Not saying na mali yung na tama yung ginawa niya, pero it shouldn't affect you because huwag mo personalin.
Yeah. And totoo yung sinasabi ng mga celebrities na, it's really about them, meaning the people who are commenting versus
More than
you.
It says
And
more about them.
medyo meron akong data about that last night.
Wow,
So,
very
nag-livestream
fresh.
ako. Nag-livestream ako. And ang dami nang, to be fair, pag nag-livestream ako sa TikTok, definitely mas marami nang nanonood ngayon. Pero may isang troll/hater. As in,
Consistent?
so, and like, yung usual na random account
okay.
na, so ang comment niya, overrated. All caps. Overrated, overrated. Tapos, fleeting fame. Sabi
Same
niya.
guy? Same person?
Fleeting fame, fleeting fame.
Nagsa-spam siya.
Fan kasi siya ng isa namin naging topic na I guess yung pag-intindi niya medyo iba. Tapos, hindi ko siya pinatulan. Kinausap ko siya in a very tender way. So after, tapos may mga tao na nagtatanong sa akin ng medyo serious questions. So medyo hindi masyadong dog show, mas parang vulnerable or earnest yung sagot ko. Eventually, tumigil yung hater, finalo niya ako.
Wow.
Tapos sabi ko, ano ba yan? Ba't mo ako finalo? Tapos nagbigay siya ng maraming mga stickers. Sabi niya, I changed my mind. I like your patience and your values. So parang ako,
Na-convert mo.
but also, I guess it's to support that na tipong, most of the time, it's not about the people who creates the thing. Pero nakakatawa lang na I guess medyo gift that I was able to witness that.
Galing.
Para lang meron akong date na parang, I cannot always take it too personally because they are on their own journey. I'm on my own.
Amen.
And medyo naloka lang ako lang very light. Tapos pinagtawanan siya nung mga nandun sa
Siyempre.
live na parang, wow, friend of the pod.
Okay, chat.
But it's a very funny story na tipong, it's a great anecdote on human behavior.
Right. Speaking of human behavior, keep in mind lahat ng naiisip mo, mga pet peeve mo. Kasi dito na tayo sa tinatawag namin
Oh.
unfiltered takes.
Unfiltered takes.
So, from the name itself,
Here in Unfiltered Takes.
baka meron mga takes dyan that you want to get off your chest?
I mean, I've said this before.
Oh, okay.
This is probably the third time I'm saying it in a podcast, but I think I will continue to preach this gospel.
Okay. It's your
Because
vision
I
mission.
would like to keep watching very nice films in mga sinihan. But people need to stop talking while they're in the movie house. They have to stop. They have to stop. I don't care if you are someone na kausap mo yung friend mo, nagchichikahan kayo, and dahil puno siguro sa Starbucks, nagchikahan kayo sa loob ng sinihan. Diba? But also to the people who are terribly passionate about what it is they're seeing.
Yo.
Na parang, stop it. Stop it. And I don't know. And yeah, I don't get it. Kasi when I back in the day, before the pandemic, walang ganyan eh. Medyo makaka-encounter ka ng ganyan once every 3 years.
Na-affect.
Dear ngayon, I don't know, like the pandemic really did something to us. Both good, bad,
broke
and
us.
talkative. Grabe, ang daming maingay.
Dami.
Ang daming maingay.
May tip ako sa'yo.
Oh,
Na
no.
daming maingay. Like, oo, like, hindi naman lahat ng gusto kong panoorin, merong lazy boy, di ba? For that separation.
Yung ba?
So, parang ideally, ganun. Pero minsan talaga, like, honestly, lalo na if it's a big, like, studio movie and an opening weekend, like, kunyari, Wicked.
Yeah.
And I saw the second Wicked, I was like, oh my God, this is, I should have seen this the week after.
How do you feel about people singing along though? Like they're just singing with the song.
Wait lang.
Because that happened to me.
I haven't
People
tried
were-
watching Wicked and other art forms na same as Wicked. Pero do people sing?
Yeah.
Yes, saka yung
Inside?
merong
Yes.
mga, saka yung may mga reaction. Like, kunyari,
Tangina.
nung may love scene, oh, give mo na, girl. I'm like,
Ay,
oh,
gago.
girl, it's medyo malali.
I would
Okay.
accept the parang gasp. Pero singing a phrase.
Correct, pero I guess okay lang kung mag-react ka once, twice, and ma-realize mo, oh no, they are doing a play-by-play commentary.
Oh, it's not stopping.
It's
Pwede
not
malaman.
stopping.
Wag na nga, baka bawasan ng brand deals mo eh.
But may tip ka.
Hindi kasi may tip dapat ako. Pero na-realize ko, hindi siya gumagana. Kasi dati pwede mo pa iwasan yung mga cinema na may ganong ugali.
Ngayon hindi na. I mean,
Hindi
alam mo
na.
naman kung saan ako nakatira, di ba?
They're all over the place.
Oo.
So parang, fuck, kaya nga may torrent eh. Di ba?
It's
Kaya nga
just,
may...
But it's sad.
it is incredibly selfish, I think. It's really what
It is. Dapat, to add your take, dapat merong nagbibilang kung ilang beses na nagre-react yung isang tao. Tapos
Saka
pag
syempre,
na-reach mo yung
correct.
number, siguro mga 3.
And alam mo, like, honestly, the Aries and me gusto ko magtaray. Pero syempre, di ba, dahil I'm kamay, sabihin, oh my God, nagtaray si Bao.
Oh, syempre.
Honestly, like sometimes I would just like to say na, the last time I told someone to kind of keep it down
Oh, shit.
was Deadpool versus Wolverine a year and a half ago. Excited sila masyado. Ang ingay nila. Tapos sabi ko, like,
Marvel
can you
fans.
please keep the talking to like a very low volume.
Katabi mo.
Tumahimik naman sila.
Oh, fair ask. I mean, fair way of saying it.
Oo, totoo naman. I didn't ask them to stop talking. I just told them to like keep it down.
Actually,
May
ganda.
kwento. Quick kwento lang.
Go.
Grade school ako, tatay ko. Nood kami na movie, forgot what it was. Probably King Kong, something like that. Merong half na nung movie, merong tumatawag. Uso pa yung mga phone na 3210.
Umiilaw.
Oo.
Oh.
Tutututututututut. Okay, so pinatay niya.
Is it Stacy?
But for the rest of the movie, tumutunog siya.
Oh,
Tapos yung tatay ko, hinintay niya matapos yung movie. And then, right after nung nag-roll na mismo yung credits, tingin siya doon, no? Tapos sabi niya, what the fuck were you doing? Sabi niya gano'n.
Who is the person? Like, what demographic was he or she?
I
Like
don't
a
know,
kid?
probably a 30-year-old guy.
A
Alone
30-year-old?
siya eh. Just a guy
Okay.
na medyo nag-i-English, hindi niya alam call center tatay ko. So, parang in English na yung tatay ko na parang, nag-English na yung tatay ko. Sabi niya parang, isn't it my right to answer my call in a public space? Sabi ng tatay ko, shut the fuck up. It's your right to respect other people's rights inside the cinema.
Pasabog.
So, parang after nun, pwede pala yun. Sabi ko ganun.
He kind of ate
Alam mo,
with that.
isa yan sa mga...
Kumakain ng popcorn eh.
Minsan fantasy ko yan eh. Yung pag may nagdadaldalan tapos makakalapit ako. Like, kunyari, pag nasa harap ko sila, nag-iingay, parang minsan gusto kong ilagay yung ulo ko sa gitna. Talaga ba? Ano yun? Minsan, like, gusto ko siyang gawin kasi talagang ang dami ko nang naipon na aggression sa mga taong hindi marunong ng proper decorum inside a theater.
Right.
I thought of a solution for this phenomenon.
Okay.
We need to install lights
Okay.
for each seat.
Okay.
Tapos, if you're maingay, the light will shine on you. So parang you're kind of shaming them in
Totoo.
public.
Ito yung maingay oh.
Yeah, but it's just the light. So parang it's the movie cinema doing it to yourself. And then you'll stop. And then it will turn off.
Pahiya mo siya.
Yeah, it stops if you're quiet.
It's a shame light.
It's a
Shame
shame light.
light.
And it can work the way, it could be in front of you. Parang ganon. It's just like attached to the seat in front of you.
Or
I love-
i-execute ka lang sa upuan mo. And then you're there.
I love
shock
movies.
collar.
I love watching movies, specifically sa sinihan.
Yep.
Ayoko nanonood ng movie sa bahay. Honestly,
It's
as much
kinda
as
sad,
possible.
yeah.
Like pag sure ako, nanonood lang ako ng movie sa bahay kapag sure ako hindi siya i-release sa Pilipinas, like commercially. 'Di ba? Kasi hindi lahat nare-release dito.
Parang indie movie.
But as much as possible, if I feel like there is like a small chance mapapanood ko siya sa sinihan, like I will wait for it. And then after waiting for it, like for example, a movie like Wicked, which is like the cornerstone of every queer person. And it malala ang ingay talaga ng mga kasama ko.
Like, Marty Supreme nga wala yata dito.
I wanna
Oh my
watch
God, I
Marty
am
Supreme.
waiting for Marty
Dude,
Supreme.
Wala!
Meron
Tell me
yan,
one,
meron
dude.
yan. Posibleng wala. Meron
Sumakto
yan.
sa MMFF kasi.
Meron
Yeah,
yan.
Christmas dapat eh.
Meron yan.
Timmy won a
Naniwala
Golden Globe,
tayo.
man.
I mean, Chalamet.
Young goat.
Um,
Goat.
But yeah, I have a take. If okay
Go
lang.
ahead.
Okay lang, Jed?
Take away.
So I have a take. I don't like when people gatekeep artists because you're that's the first part. I don't like when people are gatekeeping indie or hindi pa sikat masyadong artists
Okay.
na magaling kasi you're not
Supporting
you're not
them.
helping them live up to their full potential.
Tama.
So that's the first part. What I like about gatekeeping
Okay,
is
nuance.
when people gatekeep restaurants.
Oh!
You know
But
why?
you can argue the same
Yeah,
thing.
parang you're
I'm
defeating
getting
the
there. I'm getting
logic.
there. Because it's a selfish thing.
Okay.
Pagka yung restaurant, sobrang sarap nung sinaserve na food. Tas kayo lang yung may alam. Ibig sabihin, anytime kang pupunta sa restaurant na yan, walang linya. Makakaupo ka, makakain.
May ganyan kaming place. May ganyan kaming place in Jamo. Medyo madami nang tumakain lately. Pero like, it's a pretty popular spot. Pero parang hindi siya super, super popular yet.
Was it the one on your close friends? That you
iba pa yun.
Okay.
But yes, that's my gatekeep bar. I have a gatekeep like
Yeah,
Bar naman. Okay.
Kasi yung bar na yun, ang liit-liit talaga. Oh my God. Although, Michelin ruined everything. Charing.
Yeah. Okay.
Joke lang.
Gets ko. Okay, get
Joke
all of
lang,
the
joke lang,
recognition
joke
that you
lang.
need. I mean, wala. Okay. Like, congratulations to everyone.
Correct.
All the rest,
Nananalo sa
Totoo naman.
Michelin star, Michelin selection, whatever.
Correct.
ganyan.
Yung bibgum mo.
Pero Jesus Christ.
I know.
Yung mga, may Michelin star kaming Michelin selected ba or whatever sa Kapitolyo.
Aha.
Dami ng tao.
Yung bar na sinasabi ni Judd, yung bar na to, as in, kaka-discover ko lang sa kanya, siguro mga 4-5 months before Michelin arrived. So, nasa honeymoon phase ako. Of like, I'm always there.
It's my place.
And that's where I got my, and then, when it happened, nakakapunta pa rin naman ako, pero like, ibang araw na. Alam mo yun? So, but it's okay.
Yeah. Yun lang.
Thank you,
I like,
Michelin. Please get us for your campaigns.
If only Michelin, selected brick wall or something. Para puro may crowd lagi.
I think there should be a category for that eh.
For entertainment.
Oo,
Food, good food with entertainment.
Yeah.
Ganon.
But I think that's hindi job ng Michelin siguro. Hindi na natin problema yun.
Parang hindi
man.
nila problema yun.
Oo. But yeah, I like when people gatekeep
Si Yup
restaurants.
na lang.
Kasi, ang haba ng pila eh.
Pero,
Selfish siya. Kasi hindi kikita nung, hindi lalaki yung
Yeah.
restaurant. Hindi magkakaroon ng different franchises. Pero, whatever. I like my food. Ikaw, do you have a take?
I prepared one since I know we all know Seabass loves your favorite city in the US has got to be New York.
Cubao?
Okay.
And I love New York too. And one of the things I love about New York is the busking sa subway or even the street.
Yes, oo.
And which is why I was so natuwa when
Sure na to, ah?
yeah, I was hoping that would pass. During the holidays sa MRT LRT, there was busking. Like yung standard guitar.
Ano yung hot take mo dito?
We should not just limit it to December lang. There should be
Oo
more
naman,
busking.
Definitely.
There should be
Honestly,
more
yes.
busking every month, more places. Sa loob ng train kung kaya, kung may
Kaya.
space.
And honestly, when somebody is serving,
Yes.
like malalang performance
People
and
will
vocals,
stop.
like honestly, I give money. Like,
Same. Especially when their mom has cancer.
kasi it's so hard. Parang iniisip ko lagi for that person to get to that point of being that ganun kagaling. I'm sure, alam mo yun, parang girl,
they
give ko
trained
sa'yo
or
yan.
something.
Sobrang
Yeah.
limited ng knowledge ko sa busking.
I mean, wala rin ako masyadong alam. Pag kumbaga pa
Yeah.
nakita lang ako, and parang feeling ko, alam mo, pasabog ka, girl, laban.
Pero do they sing or perform
Yes,
their
they do.
original stuff?
Sometimes original, sometimes covers.
I think they should perform the original stuff.
That's the
Okay.
I mean,
Okay.
yes, of course.
The thing.
I'll only pay you if it's original stuff. Ano, The Voice? What is this?
Pero kung
why-
Gary V cover yan, wow.
So para to me, if you're sorry I think magkakabaka.
I mean, that's your standard. That's
Pero
your
I
preference.
like it when people do their own thing. Na parang, kunyari, original song, ganyan. Kasi kung kinover mo yung isa, tas same lang ng version, wala kang iniba, then what are you doing?
So, payo ka ba, they put a spin at least.
Oh, like, do your own thing.
Yeah, but sometimes, even if they sing the same melody, they might have a different emotional take on it. And I
Ganun
think
ba
that
yun?
is your duty
okay.
to try to really
As a-
suspend judgment first and try to feel, okay, what is the singer trying to tell me?
Through, through defying gravity.
She's telling me to give her money. Anyway.
All right. Shout out buskers.
Shout out
Buskers.
Don't give up.
Oo naman.
What else? Is that, yun na ba? Wala na ba
Kayo,
tayo?
ano pa? Go.
I realized-
Malaga pa.
I realized my take was it wasn't hot. It was like
Yeah,
lukewarm at best.
Okay.
I mean,
napaka-positive niya eh. Nag-expect ako ng, yung mga pulubi dapat wag bigyan.
mas
Yun
hot pa yung
hot
light in the
take.
cinema, yung daldalan.
Ano, actually, may hot take ako pero hindi ko talaga siya pwede. Mamaya na lang.
Ay! you just teased the
Okay.
crowd.
Yeah.
But, meron kami tinatawag, Baus, na walang edit
Question. May song na yan. Wow.
Alam mo,
So-
dapat pala nang tanong muna ako, no, before I went here. Pero
No, alam
anyway,
we
go.
love surprising our guests. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung question ng last guest.
me
So we
also?
had some YG
Oh.
last episode.
Did he know that I was...
Nah.
No.
Okay, so wala, so ano to, in a vacuum tong question na to. Okay.
Yes. I forgot. Ano yung question?
Me also,
Pa
dude.
yan? Oh.
Gab, nandyan ka ba?
This is the first time.
Okay, wait lang
And
daw.
walang- So
habang
professional of
hinihintay
us.
ko si Gab pumunta
This
dito
is so
sa loob.
professional of us in front of the very recognized Baus Rufo.
Gago.
You're still doing stand-up, no?
I like
Yeah,
how
I'm doing it tonight.
I like how you
Yeah. Kasi,
filling the time.
I mean, kasi okay. Ito kasi, explain ko sa'yo, Jod. When you're doing a lot of things, especially if you're a multifaceted artist like this guy, parang you have a favorite. You have a favorite if you have improv, stand-up, you have a podcast, you have performances, hosting, ganyan. So, ano yung top one? Regardless of the reason,
Correct.
you can say top one to kasi
Sagutin
ito
ko na
yung-
siya agad.
Oh.
If lahat ng options
They
on
pay
a good
you-
day,
they pay you equally.
me well, stand up.
Whoa!
Honestly, and I'm just gonna say this, a big reason as to why I take on a lot of things is for it to help my stand up. It is
I
so
love
that
it. I love it.
people will be curious enough to want to see a stand-up show. I mean, alam mo naman yun, mayroon tayong like customer funnel. Okay, from the content to the reels,
Right.
hopefully they find my humor parang their cup of tea and then they will want to see a show. That's really what I mean. That's why I'm tonight. So this is my first
Right.
headlining show sa most
Of
post
the
dog show
year.
divas. I'm curious to see like how the turnout will look like. Is that is data.
I think it's gonna be packed.
I don't know. Pero honestly,
Gonna be wild
it's
out.
really stand up because iba pag nag-kill ka eh.
Iba yung...
Kasi yung tipong parang feeling mo you can
Validation.
cure cancer. No joke. No joke.
Right.
Like kunyari nung December sa Meshwe, kayong headliner doon. Oh my God, sobrang putang layo ng binyahe tapos yung stage ganito lang kalaki. Ito lang yung stage,
Yes.
diba?
Ah,
yan
yan
lang
na
yun.
Yeah.
Yan lang yung
The
stage.
exact
Kasi
same
Nathan,
stage.
yung owner nandyan sa tabi.
Diba? Pero,
So kalahati
putya,
na.
tapos yung room pa nakahati. I mean, sobrang ang daming constraints.
Yeah.
Pero pag nag-kill ka,
Somehow,
putang
sarap.
ina, like, babalik ako dito sa Fairview bukas agad-agad. Ganun eh.
So, babalik ka sa Mesho this year?
I would love to, honestly.
Ay,
I would
watch out.
really love
Baus
to.
live
Yeah.
in Meshwe.
I love stand-up so much. I like the theory because there's a theory, diba? Basically,
Joke
like,
writing.
your observation, your premise, your punchline. I like that. Yes.
Okay, Gab is here.
This is
to
a-
deliver the walang edit question.
This is
Ano
the
yung
first.
Dito ka, Gab. Dito ka.
Okay, let's
Tabi ka,
introduce
tabi ka
him.
dito.
Gab is
So,
the man that
Oo,
makes
si Gab
everything.
rin ang producer.
Si Gab ang
podcast
producer
ko
ng walang
sa-
edit.
Sa Kasakaya pa ba
So,
siya din?
Oh,
Gab,
awesome.
ang question ni Sam YG ay...
Gusto ko ikaw mag-deliver. Para.
na!
Nah, come on.
Okay, game. Kung meron kang taong gustong sampalin, sino
Right.
at bakit?
You have to say who. Well, not necessarily the name, but maybe like describe them. Like my
Sobrang
mom,
perfect pala!
my boss. A very Aries question.
Answer however you wanna answer.
Yeah.
Honestly, may tao, pero hindi ko talaga siya pwedeng sabihin. I think kilala mo kung sino.
Yeah.
Kasi,
Oh, okay.
kasi yung tipong parang, oh ano, di ba?
Oo.
Ayun yung
parang-
gusto kong sabihin sa kanya.
Okay.
A friend, I guess.
Basta hindi ko na,
Okay,
Hindi
okay,
pwede.
okay,
Pero
okay.
parang ang gusto kong parang sabihin, oh, di ba? Sabi sa'yo eh. Go. Ayun.
Yan yung reason. Parang-
Grabe. You know, it fascinates me.
Oh my God. Yeah,
Do you
sorry.
know who he's talking
kilala
about?
Niya, kilala
Oo.
niya
I
Milan.
don't know this.
Like, to me,
Tama na, hanggang doon na lang kasi alam mo eventually baka malaman nila kung sino.
They're
Hindi,
gonna.
there's no way in hell. There's no, okay, ito
They're
Eh,
gonna
kasi baka
unpack it.
bigyan ng clues. Okay.
Yeah, no clues.
no clues.
Pero there's no way in hell na malalaman nila kung sino. Kasi like, people would not
Correct.
expect.
This is so unfiltered. I love it.
As in sobrang to the point na, girl, sobrang hindi.
Okay. Huwag mo na walaan.
Oh,
Okay.
yun na lang.
My eyes now are like
as in
trying to
tipong-
find the answer.
As in tipong, ha? Okay, go. Nung una parang, okay, go. Tapos eventually, oh, di ba sabi sa'yo, hindi talaga eh. Ayun. Yan. That's, hindi naman sampal, but like
If you had to.
the motivation of a sampal is something I definitely feel. But I will not slap anyone.
I feel the same way.
Not unless it's a kink.
Like, I
So,
always
Unless
have
they
a
want it.
person na no matter, I think kahit pag bumaliktad yung mundo, it would always stick na gusto mo siyang, hindi naman pahiyain, pero
Oo, hindi naman. Definitely.
maramdaman na galit ka sa
Oo.
kanya.
Actually, hindi naman galit yung akin eh. More of,
Ano yan?
nainis lang ako. Nainis ako kasi parang, Diyos ko naman, be. Talaga ba? Tapos, anyway.
Parang you wanna teach them.
Other
na-
than
I
that,
know, I teach them.
other
I
than
just-
that person, wala ka nang
wala
ibang
na.
sampalin.
Oo, wala.
May nasampal ka na ba ever?
Wala pa naman.
Yeah, I don't peg you as
Yeah,
a...
I do. I think in as much as I am a very vivid, angry person, because I am when I'm mad, like pag galit, but like I know na akin lang yun. Hindi ko siya pwedeng.
It's all verbal.
Yeah.
And I cannot.
Puro internal.
Yeah, oo.
Okay,
May
okay.
anger issues ako madami.
At dahil dyan, Baus never nanampal Rufo. Ano ang iyong walang edit-edit question to our next guest?
Hindi ko kilala yung guest mo.
Mhm.
Make it controversial, please.
Yeah, we need the views.
We
Who was-
need...
Yeah, we haven't made it
Who
yet.
who was your last sex dream?
Whoa! Whoa! I wouldn't even want to answer
Happy na
that.
sa tanong?
Oh, shit. Oh, sige.
Oh.
Yeah, we will take that.
Who was your last sex dream?
Gusto kong tanong.
That was quick too.
Oo nga eh.
Quality
You had
and-
that, loaded.
Yeah, because I recently experienced it with like, why did I have a sex dream about that guy? And then, ayun. So parang sobrang, and they're always weird. Like,
Yeah.
they're sometimes like, Like, hindi naman, parang pagising naman ako, wala naman ako na ano siya. It's always so weird.
Parang in the Matrix talaga.
Correct.
Anyway, anything to promote?
What a smooth intro.
Sige, ako na lang magpa-promote. If you listen to this before our Feb 6 show, please do expect that there will be good stand-up sets.
Feb 6 to, no?
Yung live
Ito?
unfiltered.
Hindi,
think
yung show.
Yung show. Puta ba?
Baka pwede magpa-guest spot.
Oh, mag-guest spot si...
Oh, wow!
Announcing it right now. Mag-guest spot si Baus Rufo.
Feb 6, diba? I think I should make it.
It's a Friday.
Yeah. So, go there. There will be a lot of stand-up acts. There will also be, main event niya is magkakaroon ng unfiltered takes.
Na live.
This is the first time where you, staplers, our listeners, will get to go up on stage and say your take.
And fair.
And get cancelled like I did. Yeah!
Wait, did you get canceled?
Hindi naman.
Grabe
Hate
naman. Marami lang
comments
Vietnam. Ban na siya sa Vietnam.
Yeah. I didn't want to go anyway.
And after you tell everyone your take, we will say how we think, what we think about it.
Yeah.
And
like,
that's where the fun starts because people can, agree, disagree. So
slap
be there.
someone.
Feb 6, Brick Wall, Unfiltered Takes live. comedymanila.ph or go to my bio for the link.
Support local comedy.
Let's go.
All kinds.
All kinds.
From improv to...
Improv, that comedy bar thing na kinwento natin
The
kanina.
comedy
Tigilan
bar.
nyo na yan. Diba? We all wanna make you laugh. So just let us make you laugh.
Yeah.
And please follow my socials at Chef Gregorio.
Selfish mo.
And follow
Nakita mo
other
si
comedians.
Boss, pinromote niya all kinds. Please follow me on Instagram.
Just specifically me. And
Then,
that's all you
follow
need to do.
Judd, please. Magkakaroon siya ng shows this year. Napakadaming shows niyan this year. Share his stuff online, stand-up niya.
Thank you.
Yung mga segments niya sa podcast, i-share nyo pag nagpo-post kami. And also, give him new socks.
Hey, these are okay.
yeah,
They're
these
not
are-
dripping that much.
Yeah, it's Michael Jackson socks. So, yeah. And thank you so much, Baus Rufo.
It was a
Thank you,
blast.
Leland. Thank you, Judd. And to the listeners of this wonderful podcast.
Yeah.
Actually, super thanks because you've been our guest when we were on Zoom and now you're here live. So thanks for being a friend of the pod.
I'm...
Utang na loob yun. Maraming salamat. And shout out to Makoy. Na next time, dalawa na kayong kukunin namin.
Correct.
Dapat magsama kayo para maubos yung energy nating lahat. But with that, maraming salamat. Merch sa website, Projects PH. Tickets, comedymail.ph. And support all kinds of comedy all throughout the Philippines. And with that, Happy New Year. And wala nang edit. Post na natin yan, Gab.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.